Introducing the Orion XTRPRO-SW10D2, 10-inch subwoofer designed to deliver massive bass with precision and power. With 600 watts RMS and 2,400 watts peak power, this subwoofer is built to hit hard and stay clean, even at high volumes. It's the only shallow subwoofer in the world that can be reconned so easy to restore that you simply remove the damaged recone and replace it using a special pin guide system that aligns everything instantly. At the center, the UV-coated paper and fiber blend cone delivers stiffness and sound accuracy, while a polypropylene dust cap adds stability and structure. Surrounding the cone, a high-quality NBR rubber surround allows for extended excursion and long-lasting performance. It's powered by a ceramic magnet and built around a heavy-duty frame for strength and durability. Heavy-duty binding screw terminals provide a secure, high-conductivity connection, 3-inch mounting depth, and a 9.2 1-inch cutout diameter. It's designed to fit where traditional woofers can't. With a sensitivity of 82 decibels and a frequency response from 25 Hz to 150 Hz, it brings deep, controlled bass that elevates your sound system. The woofer ring is stamped with the Orion logo, a subtle but bold touch that reflects its heritage, crafted from durable rubber to provide both style and protection. It's built around a stamped steel basket, uniquely styled to match the XTR series aesthetic. The basket isn't just aggressive in appearance, it's engineered with extensive ventilation throughout, reducing heat buildup and improving efficiency during heavy use. Built to perform, engineered to fit, the Orion XTRPRO-SW10D2 shallow subwoofer brings the bass, no matter the space. Orion high-performance car audio.